Hey guys, welcome back to Solution Mitra. Here is the question for today. This is like if m equal to 4pq over p plus q, then we have find m plus 2p over m minus 2p plus m plus 2q over m minus 2q. What is the value of this term? And we have given the option like A 2, B 4, C as 2mpq over p plus q, and D is none of the above. How we solve it? Let's see. For this type of question, we have to know the rule called componendo and dividendo. Componendo, componendo and dividendo. Divi, D-E-N-D-O, dividendo. Componendo and dividendo. What this rule tell us? This rule is like if we have given A by B equal to C by D, two fraction like in proportional A by B over C by D. Then if I add denominator of these fraction in their numerator, then this property follow like a plus b. The denominator adds to numerator like this. This is also equal to if I add this term denominator to this numerator like this. So if I add denominator in their respective numerator, so again we have find that these term also equal in magnitude. So this law is called componendo. What this law called componendo. And dividendo is if I what I do uh, if I subtract denominator by numerator like this a minus b over b. This time I subtract the denominator like this and c minus d over d. So this also follow means and this called dividendo. Componendo is when I add the denominator in respective numerator of these fraction. They also follow the proportional rule, and if I subtract again it follow the proportional rule. Means componendo is this and dividendo is this. If I mix these two term componendo and dividendo at same time, then what I got a by b is equal to c by d if this is given and I apply componendo and dividendo. So what I can write a plus b over a minus b is equal to c minus c plus d over c minus d. This term called componendo and dividendo. Okay, and if you want to know how this term how I write it like this, you can put it as equation 1, it as equation 2, and now equation 1 divided by equation 2, so you got this equation. This is combined form of componendo and dividendo. Now in this question you here, okay, I rough this surface so I can solve this question. Okay, I rough this. You know what is component or dividendo? I only okay, this is component and dividendo combined form. Now you see in this equation properly is this equation you see. Okay, what you have seen, it is like a plus b over a minus b. It is like same a plus b over a minus b. ठीक. So what I can write it? I can write it as m over a by b equal to c by d. I got component and dividend by this ratio. So in same manner I can write a plus b over a minus b as a by b means m by 2p. And what I can write this term, this is like m2q. This is again like this term, so I can again write it as m by 2q by component and dividend. Now it is in this form. Now I have to simplify it and see what I got. Now I rough this whole surface. You can see how I simplify it. Okay, we have to simplify it. I write it here first. M by 2b plus m by 2q. This. Now I rough this also. Now what? How I solve it? First I take LCM of these two denominator. What I got the LCM 2bq. Okay. Now divide the LCM by this denominator and multiply, and the what I call it dividend divisor, dividend division divisor, what I call it, multiplied by it, like this, what I am saying, m into, take LCM and simplifying it, what I got, q multiplied by here, and plus m into b multiplied here upon 2bq. So it is like mq plus mb over 2bq. 2bq. What I called, I'm missing this term. Division. What is this? Oh, 1 second. Division equal to divisor into dividend. Dividend into divisor. Oh, quotient. Sorry. So when I take LCM of these two terms and divide LCM by first this denominator, then the coefficient I got, I multiplied the coefficient by this denominator. Same process apply here. So I got this term mq plus mb over 2bq. Now what I do? Okay, now what I do, I can take m common from both sides. So it is like mq plus b over 2bq. Now see here what I have given. M is given this, m equal to this. So now I put the value of m here, means 4pq divided by p plus q, and the remaining terms as like it is q plus b over 2pq. Now you can easily see what is this. This is p plus q. Where from I get p? It is p. Oh my god, it is p. You see, it is p. 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 So it is p. You can see easily from here. P plus q. P plus q. This whole term cancel out this, and pq cancel out pq. So we got what we got. We got 4 by 2, and you can easily see 2 to the 4. So our answer is 2. After solving this term, we got our answer 2. And what logic follow here? Componendo or dividendo. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care.